Okay, so now let's jump into a serious question which will help everyone to know. So, how many new words should a beginner learn daily?
A beginner can learn 5 words daily, and if they're comfortable, they can start with 10 words daily, and it will improve their English and they can finish learning English faster.
Okay, so how can someone improve their speaking English as well as listening English? Like, say it just shortly. Like, how can someone will improve speaking English at the same time also like listening skills?
They can listen to podcast videos in English. They can listen to English songs, sing along, and practice it. And also for listening skills, they can do the both at the same time by just listening to podcast and speaking along with it.
Okay, so do you think? So I have a free question for you. So do you think like by watching Liakat's Kids English podcast, can people learn or improve English? There's listening skills.
Of course, here everyone's talking in English. They can just practice with us. They can rewind the video and do and practice where they cannot speak.
So like Liakat is a good platform, isn't it?
Of course, it's a good platform.
Okay.